Wow. Way more than I thought. Had a bunch of latex gloves get chopped up by the mower. If that ever happens, I'd highly recommend one of these pack out shop vacs, wet vacs. I found an old vacuum bait in our basement and taped it together because it didn't exactly fit perfectly to the supplied hose, but it gives you enough extended reach. When you turn it on, sucks these little pieces right up in the trash. Big ones you kind of suck up, and then you just work them in like so. Gloves would work with candy wrappers too. Hope this helps. So here we are. I just finished up using this Milwaukee, brand new to me, pack out wet dry shop vac. I used one 5 amp hour battery and I got most of it done. I had to switch to a 2 amp, a smaller one, just to finish up a spot here and there. But there were shredded gloves all over here. Apparently, somehow there was a bunch of gloves on the lawn. Started out over here, and then kind of went down the road as cars passed, and there were tiny little bits. I think I got some on video. This thing worked great. Being an amputee, he's just having it on the rack of the four-wheeler and running around vacuuming up all the little bits and pieces. Worked awesome. Hope this helps.